Good morning, guys. All right, so today is test day. I wanted to do one additional question that was not on the test review that I think will help you on one of the questions on the test. That's a free response question. So given a position function of 1/3 t cubed minus t squared minus 3t. Okay, what I want you guys to do is I want you to find when the particle is moving right and left. Okay. And again, it's important to pay attention to, I'm going to tell you, I only want time values greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So we're acting like time needs to be 0 or positive. Okay. So definition base, we did this in plenty of times. The right definition of right is velocity positive and definition of left is velocity negative. Okay. So if you want to find when it's moving right or left, you need to start by finding where is the velocity 0. Okay, so you start by finding your velocity equation, which is the derivative of position. Simple power rule says 3 times 1/3 is 1, t to 1 smaller, minus 2t minus 3. And I want to know, again, where is the velocity function equal to 0? Okay, this is a simple factor problem. You've got minus 3 and you've got plus 1, right? Because this is t squared plus 1t minus 3 gives me the minus 2, and that's negative 3. And that gives me two t values, t equals positive 3 and negative 1. Okay? And so what I want you guys to do next is to draw in your velocity line. Okay, and you're going to put on your values here, but remember, we want to only start at a t value of 0. So the lowest value on your velocity line should be 0 because that represents time. And then somewhere over here would be 3. And what you're supposed to do is find out what's happening between time 0 and time 3. For instance, at time 1. So if I plug in 1, I get 1 squared minus 2, which is negative 1, minus 3 more is negative. So your velocity is going to be negative there. If I plug in 5, you could do it here or here. Think of it this way. 5 minus 3 is positive times positive is going to be a positive value. Okay, so what you're going to write on your test, okay, the solution you need to give me is the interval, right, and a definition, justification as to why. So you're going to say this thing is going right from 3 to infinity, and you need to say since velocity is positive. Okay, you have to say that. There's no other way that they accept it on the AP exam. Okay, then you're going to say left from 0 to 3 since velocity is negative. Okay, so on your free response part of this question, that's what I want to see. Okay, that will justify all of this other work that you did. So you just need to come up with your intervals and a justification as to why. Okay, good luck, you guys. I hope it goes great for you. Happy Friday. Take your time, check your work, and you should be good.